What'd you do?
Nothing.
You did some freaky shit with them, didn't you?
You winked it too hard that it got swollen.
It was funny though. Alright, so this is what a normal hand looks like. This is what a...
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works. Oh, today, I don't even know what we're gonna be doing.
Where are we going anyway?
My car part didn't even come in today. We're supposed to do a video on it. Terrible.
That's right.
Hopefully it'll come in so we can do what we have planned today, which is the armrest delete on my E46. And it's gonna be replacing the center console, or sort of the center console area. But right now we're gonna be going to pick up our banners for our cars. It's a simple banner. I made it yesterday and had my friend Paul print it out for us. So we're gonna go pick it up right now and see how it looks. Martin did do a straight pipe from the cab back, so it's a little loud. On all VQs, once it hits 3K, it's like a fucking trombone.
Tromboner.
Chewbacca.
What you did? You took it off? The muffler's gone and the first resonator's gone.
So loud. Bro, that's so fucking clean. Yes, that's real carbon fiber.
The wrap.
No, it's a door.
The actual door?
Yeah.
No, you're lying.
I swear. So the hood's carbon, the doors are carbon. Is the hatch carbon or not yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Shit's so fucking dope.
Doors are, yeah.
I was thinking about doing a reflective tint like this. Probably more chrome than blue, but on this car it looks really fucking good. Is that a dummy da? So this wrap is the same brand as mine. He actually helped me wrap the rear bumper because I couldn't do it myself. But it looks really fucking good, especially with this brushed metal look on the roof and the hatch. Bro, that's so fucking wild. So these are gonna be the slap. So we just looked at his future wrap color. Fuck, dude, it's gonna look so good. Is that the color?
I need to remove the tint.
I know.
I went to fucking Solar Experts. They're closed on Mondays. It's weird.
Really?
Yeah, I was actually gonna pay. I just want it gone.
Now that we picked up the slaps, we're gonna be slapping on my car first. Bruce isn't able to come, bro. They call him into work.
Good.
Oh, he picked the shift up for once. Nice.
No, they called him in because they scheduled him when he wasn't available.
What do you mean?
Yeah, like he couldn't come in today and they still scheduled him. Let's target, bro.
Alright, so this is what a normal hand looks like. This is what an infected ass hand looks like.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Bro, look at that. I got stung by a bee on Saturday and that's what it turned into.
What'd you do?
Nothing.
You did some freaky shit
You
with them,
winked it
didn't you?
too hard that it got swollen.
It was funny though.
Oh, she got a new car, by the way.
Yes.
Damn. Tell him. Psych, you can't tell him. So we're gonna be slapping the Static banner on all of our cars.
Hey, go
You
show my
ready?
fitment. Look, actually,
Yeah? Bro, only the front is good.
look at it. Look.
The front is really nice, bro. I'll tell you that. I'll give you that. Look at that shit. You should lower it more, though.
Not bad.
Whoa, I'm like maxed out in the back.
You need a tuck rim. What do you mean?
Nah, fool, it's drift car. Whoa, straight step on the. Oh,
Damn, you straight. And you wanted a sticker for your new car? Apologize.
Sorry.
Dude, she's not even salty cat. She's sorry cat.
You know what's funny? We did that with the banner, and she's like, "Yeah, it's straight." We look at it; it's all crooked.
So that's how it's gonna be. I think it looks a lot better than I first thought when I picked them up.
That's a fake ass Static Works sticker.
I know, who made that shit?
Some fucking knockoff guy in Oxnard. Peel it off halfway.
Yeah, and then give it to him.
Then I'll peel off halfway. But yeah, this fool's going.
God, dude, when we wrap his car, he's gonna be a nightmare.
That's why you don't buy G35s to begin with.
What do you do? What do you do?
He knew that he was going to your house, so he put on his uniform to make it look all professional.
You go to Ventura College?
No.
That's fucking dope, dude.
I don't go. I bought this at the thrift store. I swear. Wait, that's the one that got stepped on. I can see the footprint. That's yours.
That's your fault now.
No.
Gonzo's Z is drying right now. Mine is already on. We peeled it off. It looks really fucking good. Oh God! Oh God! That's why you didn't do things by himself. He slapped himself?
Yes, and that shit just went right in his face.
Is that a fucking dummy, duh?
Almost.
So I did get a We Are Likewise shift knob, which is a lot better than the old We Are Likewise. I think it's over there. The other one is a lot longer, so this one's gonna be shorter throws, and I am gonna be hitting the armrest. That's why I want to do the armrest delete. So these two would have been perfect, but we're gonna go grab some boba, and hopefully it should be here when we come back so we can finally do the main thing in the video.
So this is my 2017 86. Yeah, it's an 86. It's not an FRS conversion.
86 conversion. Damn, he's calling out all the FRS bros.
No, I like the FRS. I'm planning on getting an FRS bumper maybe later on. Right now it's kind of expensive because everyone has an FRS in 2013, so they've been on the roads longer. So most of them are fucked up. So I'm not gonna buy some used bumper.
You have to be a little louder because I don't think they can hear you. This shit's so loud. So the right way to do a straight pipe would obviously be cut off the mufflers and resonators and weld the pipe in, but fucking guy, man.
So the reason why I'm doing it how I am, it's either gonna be my first or my second mod is a NVIDIA N1 catback. I'm doing mine like this because I don't want to fuck up my stock exhaust just in case I ever want to go back or I get revved.
So instead of having it welded, what he did was he just took it off from the flange pretty much right below us. So it's gonna be pretty loud and it's gonna vibrate a lot. But I mean, for now it sounds a lot better than it did stock, but it just vibrates a lot. And some people like the race car feel, but to me, I didn't really like it when I did it to my car, because when I did my transmission, when we took off the exhaust, they were so rusted, the two studs that connect from the header to the actual catback, and it was awful. So we had to get them removed and added new bolts.
So I bought it because the Teggy took a shit, obviously. I'm 18 and this is already my fucking third car. My family was like, dude, no more old cars. I'm kind of over the whole old car thing. I go to work. I work a lot, to be honest, and I go to school. I have to drive. I don't work or go to school in the city that I live, so I need to drive. I need something reliable. I'm gonna be going to college soon. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I mean, I never thought I was gonna get an 86. I really wanted a BRZ, but the BRZs are kind of overpriced, and to be honest, the 86 interior is a little bit better. The only thing I wish I had is the climate controls, but I can always swap that.
Pretty much the main reason he got an 86 was he wanted a newer car that's more reliable. It's not the fastest thing on the block, but it does feel really good, and it handles really good. And I mean, he's a TJ fanboy, so I mean I couldn't.
It's a good car for what it is. Like, everyone compares it to every other car that's. I got mine for 20. For 20K, I could have got a 335i, what Daddy's dad has. But that's not really what I want, you know? Like, I don't want luxury. I don't want a high maintenance cost. Like, I want to be able to fucking do shit like that myself. Like, some small gaskets. Ooh, 86 brother.
You flinched?
I'm eating peanuts.
You're eating peanuts? Oh god, dude, I don't like the way you're talking like that.
What you gotta get to autistic people? Send them hate.
Ow! What? Why are you always hitting me? Why are you always hitting me?
I tried talking to you.
Okay, but I'm clearly listening to the conversation over there. So why are you gonna hit me?
You're looking at the ground.
Looking at is the ground.
Yeah, you were looking at the ground. Dude.
Why are you so close?
That doesn't mean you didn't hit me, alright? That is foul of you to do that.
What?
That's how close you are.
It was like this. He was like this, and then.
I will kiss your forehead.
So weird.
If you don't kiss your homies goodnight, are they really your homies? Are they?
Okay, so this is where we're gonna end the video. We were planning doing an install on my car, but it didn't come in today. It's gonna come in. It says it's out for delivery, but it's already like 7 o'clock.
Did you show him the big boy?
Yeah, I showed him
It's
the
really
shit
the thick boy, but it's a big boy.
But the next video, we're gonna be doing an install, so that's gonna be really soon. But today we covered our new, I would say banners, but they're die-cut stickers. A lot of people have been hitting us up because I just posted it, and about like 6 people already hit me up because they want one, so we might actually put them all for sale. And we showed you Eden's brand new FRS BRZ. Pre-owned. Salvage title. Oh, I forgot to tell them that it's salvage. I'm just kidding.
Salvage?
But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Life.